Hello everyone. In this video, we discussed about armature winding. Here you can see that armature winding in this slot place the conductor. Okay, armature winding are two types: closed winding and open winding. And there are two types of closed winding, that is lap winding and wave winding. We discussed lap winding and wave winding in detail in further video. Now, what is armature winding? Armature winding may be defined as an arrangement of conductor to produce EMF by relative motion in a heteropolar magnetic field. Here you can see that arrangement of conductor, that is all are the conductors, that is called armature winding. The armature is provided with slots on its circumference in which conductors are housed. The armature is free to rotate between magnetic poles. The conductors are connected in series for increasing the voltage rating, whereas they are connected in parallel to increase current rating. Okay. On circumference, conductor are placed in slot, that is armature winding. Now, some basic terms related to armature winding is very important. We discussed here. You can see here there are two figures: single turn coil and two turn coil. Okay. First of all, what is conductor? Conductor, the active length of wire in which EMF is induced, is called conductor. Here you can see that that is active length of wire. Here we can say that that is conductor. Okay. And another definition is the length of wire embedded in slot is called conductor. Here you can show that in this slot we placed conductor. Okay. Second term, overhang. The portion of coil which just provide a connection between two active conductors and does not take part in energy conversion process is called overhang. Here you can see that there is the armature and these two conductors are connected with these two bottom. This terminal is called overhang, and there are two pole N and S. Okay, that is called overhang. Now turn. The two conductors placed in different slots when connected together forms a turn. Okay, the two conductors placed in different slots. Here, if we place one conductor and another conductor, and it makes one turn. Here, the two conductors placed in different slots when connected together forms a turn. Okay, here single turn coil and here there is two turn coil. There are two conductors, it's called front conductor and back conductor. That means if we are say that here, that is front conductor, and at behind of this, that is back conductor. Okay, now coil. The two active conductors AB and CD along with overhang constitute one coil. AB and CD with overhang is called coil. The coil may be single turn coil or multi-turn coil. Next, coil side. A coil consists of two coil sides placed in different slots approximately a pole pitch apart. Okay. Now, next, coil span or coil pitch. The distance between the two sides of a coil is called coil span. Okay, that is coil span. It is measured in terms of armature conductors. If the coil span is equal to pole pitch, the winding is called full pitched winding. Here there is winding, not welding. Okay. If the coil span is less than pole pitch, the winding is called short pitch. Okay. This term we discussed in detail in further video. Now pole pitch and is denoted by tau t. Tau t. Okay. It can be defined as follows: the total number of armature conductor divided by number of pole is called pole pitch, tau p. The periphery of the armature divided by number of pole or the distance the two adjacent poles. Okay, it's called pole pitch and denoted by tau p. Then here, that is lap winding and that is wave winding. You can see that it looks like wave. We discussed both type of winding in detail in a further video. Now back pitch YB. You can see here that is YB, here to here, and in wave winding that is back pitch YB. It may be defined as the distance between top and bottom coil side of a coil measured from back of the armature. Okay, I'm repeat again. It may be defined as the distance between top and bottom coil side of a coil measured from back of the armature. Okay, that is YB, top side and bottom side is called back pitch YB. It is measured in terms of armature conductor or coil size and denoted by YB. It is always odd number and nearly equal to pole pitch. Remember this thing, back pitch YB. Where all these terms are very useful when we design winding. Then front pitch YF. You can see here that is YF. Okay, it is defined as distance between the two coil sides connected to same commutator segment. That is commutator segment, and you can see here it is defined as distance between two coil sides. Two coil sides. That means that one first coil and second one, distance between two coil sides to the same commutator segment. मतलब कि यहाँ पे कोई एक coil जो यहाँ पे connected है one coil segment के साथ और another is also connected with this coil segment, commutator segment. The distance between these two sides is called front pitch YF, and it is measured in terms of armature conductor or coil side and denoted by YF. It is always odd number. Okay, that is called commutator segment. यहाँ पे ये commutator segment है और एक ही commutator segment में साइड कॉइल का साइड जो कनेक्टेड है उसके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है उसको हम बोलेंगे front pitch YF. Then winding pitch Y. Okay, that one Y. The distance between starting end of two nearby coil. Okay, starting end. That is first coil का starting और ये second coil का starting is called winding pitch Y. It is denoted by Y and always even number. Remember this thing, it is even number and Y is denoted by YB minus YF. Lap winding and total Y, YB minus Y plus, here that one is plus, Y is given by YB plus YF for wave winding. Okay, YB plus YF for wave winding. Okay, that is winding pitch. It's called winding pitch. And what is winding pitch for lap winding and wave winding? Here Y is equal to YB minus YF and YB plus YF. Okay, then after commutator pitch YE. Okay, YE, sorry, YC, commutator pitch YC here, that is YC. Okay, the distance between the two commutator segment. Here you can see that one commutator segment and another commutator segment. the distance between two commutator segments where the starting and finishing end of a coil are connected. Starting end, that one is one coil, that is starting end, and ending end connected to this commutator segment. Distance between starting end and ending, okay, is called commutator pitch YC. It is measured in terms of commutator segment. Okay, these all terms are very useful to design lap winding, wave winding. So it is request to write all these definition and remember. Thank you very much.